Sad.
Watch the fish, bro.
Sad, bro.
Get on the bed.
No.
Get on the bed.
No.
Get on the bed.
You get
Get on the bed.
Yeah, the bed.
Get on the bed, bro.
Oh! No. So bad.
This isn't fair.
Who's that for?
Brandon told me to beat you up
Why?
because he said to.
Did you say